Can you name all the reindeer? Dasher, Dancer, Comet, Vixen, Donner, Blitzen,
Yep.
Rudolph. I think I'm missing one. Hi, this is Jill with Handmade, and we are getting into the best time of the year. It is fall, y'all. We are going full on fall here with pumpkins, burlap, wreath, pumpkin spice lattes, whatever else screams fall to you. We are going to be making a bubble wreath that takes you all the way from fall through the holidays that you can easily change out. It's a stressful time of year, and we're going to make this so all you have to do is change out a few things. Let's get started. I am starting with a 16-inch wire wreath form, 5.5-inch wide roll of burlap ribbon to start, and I'm going to weave it through the bottom row, folding it over, and I'm going to secure it with a little bit of floral wire. All I did was pull a layer of burlap through each of my 3 slats on the wreath, and I pulled it up and essentially made a loop so that I end up with 3 loops the same size. Flip the wreath over and give it a couple twists. That's going to hold it in place. Start the process over again. Now I'm just going to make it seasonal by adding a few fall embellishments. I'm going to wire these on and thread these through just so that you can easily change them out when the winter holidays come around. Once fall is over, you know the holidays will be here in a hurry, so you can easily remove the embellishments and get Rudolph ready for Christmas. I just added a couple cheap antlers I got in the Christmas section and made a red pom-pom nose, and with that, the wreath has become Rudolph. So my Rudolph is done, and just with a few embellishments, you can change out your wreath to take you through all of the holiday seasons. Let me know below what's your favorite way to kick off the fall holiday. Give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Prancer! I didn't say Prancer. Prancer.